Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to download Monster Hunter Wilds, step by step. But before we jump into the install process, let's take a quick look at what this game is all about. Monster Hunter Wilds is the latest entry in the legendary action RPG franchise, and it's shaping up to be one of the most ambitious Monster Hunter titles yet. Set in a dynamic, living world full of massive creatures and ever-changing weather, the game brings a deeper sense of immersion and danger to every hunt. Whether you're tracking a powerful monster across different biomes or setting up camp to survive brutal storms, Wilds pushes the boundaries of exploration and strategy. With new mechanics, seamless transitions between environments, and a rich ecosystem full of interactions, this game offers more than just epic battles. It's a full-on survival experience with all the depth fans love. From customizing your gear and teaming up with friends to mastering new monsters and mounts, Monster Hunter Wilds is packed with challenges and surprises. Alright, let's get into how you can download and start playing. There are two easy methods I'll cover. Method 1, step-by-step on-screen guide. I'll walk you through the process right here in the video, whether you're on PC, PlayStation, or Xbox. I'll show you where to get the game, how to start the download, and what settings to watch out for during installation. Just follow along, and you'll be hunting monsters in no time. Method 2, written guide with links. If you'd rather read through the steps or need a quick reference, check the link in the description. It'll take you to a full written guide that includes everything: download instructions, troubleshooting tips, and direct links to the game on each platform store. Super handy when you run into any issues or just want to skip ahead. We've made the process as simple as possible so you can get into the game without any hassle. But if you hit a snag or have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help out and will respond as soon as I can. Also, if there's another game you want to guide you, install help, setup tips, anything, let me know in the comments. I'm always working on new videos to support the community. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming guides, tutorials, and updates on Monster Hunter Wilds and beyond. Thanks so much for watching. All the links and resources you need are down in the description. Good luck out there, and I'll see you in the next hunt.